Today, boys and girls, we're going to talk about the water cycle. The water cycle is when the earth has a limited amount of water. That water keeps going around and around and around and around. Well, you get the idea. And we call that the water cycle. In the water cycle, there are 4 different components: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. The 4 main parts. You also have transpiration, but that's another thing. But you have evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. Moving forward, you have evaporation. Evaporation is when the sun heats up water in rivers or lakes or the ocean and turns water into water vapor or steam. The water vapor or steam leaves the river, lake, or ocean and goes into the air. That's evaporation. Condensation is when water vapor in the air gets cold and changes back into liquid, forming clouds. This is condensation. So basically, when water vapor gets in the air and changes back to liquid, and it forms clouds. Precipitation. Precipitation occurs when so much water has condensed that the air cannot hold it anymore. It cannot hold it. The cloud has gotten enormous, and so the clouds get heavy and water falls back into the earth in the form of rain, hail, sleet, or snow. Now you have collection. Collection is when water falls back to earth as precipitation. It may fall back into the oceans, lakes, rivers, or may end up on land. When it ends up on land, it will either soak up in the earth or become a part of groundwater. We'll learn that later. But that's what plants and animals use. All in all, we have just learned what the water cycle again is, and it just goes on and on and on and all over again. Just starts all over again and over and over. That is the water cycle, boys and girls.